She thought we were.
Hi guys, it's Jenna and I'm with Crafty Sensei. And for our last video we made bracelets. I still have mine on. And this time we are making a necklace with these chains and
Lava stones.
Lava stones.
That's what they are. So for those of you who don't know, I'm Anna to Jenna because I'm her aunt. And her nan is over here hiding in the corner.
Telling me to shh.
Telling us that we're doing things wrong.
But we actually are doing things right.
Okay, so here's some lava beads that you have. See all those stones? And when you put the essential oils on it, it gives a nice scent and they can last up to 24
like hot
hours.
Thingies, like they were hot.
No, they're not hot. She thought we were. Where do you think I'm gonna get lava from? There's no volcanoes. Oh my.
And so now you can tell that mine into because you just said, "Oh my."
Oh, you're funny.
I thought you were actually, because I didn't know what lava stones were. I thought you're actually gonna go to a volcano and get lava stones. I was shocked.
So today we're gonna make lava stone necklaces. So what color do you want to use? And you're only gonna use three colors or 3 stones. They're not hot.
I'll use some black.
Do you want the red one or you want a pink one? Or blue?
I think a pink. Because look at the holes for the black one and look at the white one.
Yeah? Okay, so you have your 3 colors.
Beautiful.
So what we
Valentine's Day
need,
colors.
that's actually really pretty colors together, isn't it?
Are those little diamonds?
Diamonds?
Diamonds? Oh, they're not real diamonds. Actually, I think they are.
Okay, so then we need, these are called eye pins.
Eye pins.
Eye pins. Eye pins.
Do they put them in your eyes?
No.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna take.
Why do people name them so rarely? Like love stone? Eye pins?
It's lava stone. But you know why it's an eye pin? Because it's got the eye at the end of it.
Oh. If you put in
Is that why they name it? Making it up as I go.
this? When new earrings, bracelets, and a little big necklace that's made of chain. Because this outfit will go nice with the chain. And make me look like
I thought you were gonna make some stuff for your school. See that all this stuff is for her. It's gonna be really long. It's gonna be down to your belly button.
I feel like a dad.
Okay, so right here.
Right there.
There.
Yeah, right there.
Right there.
Right there.
So all we do is give it a little cut with your cutters.
Oh my god.
However, we have 1 piece, but we're gonna put it into 2 pieces.
I could have
Or
just broke that with my hands.
if it's long enough, you don't need the backing because you could just put it over your head. Do you want to try and see if we can make it long enough? Just putting it over our head?
Yeah, because that's what I like. So what do I do?
Slide those on.
I'm scared.
It's lava stone. It's hot.
Ow!
Can't believe she thought it was hot. Wait, you got a little piece left.
Yeah.
I'm just going to take the end. I probably should cut some of it off, but it might be nice if it moves around a little bit.
Yeah, that's pretty.
So all I'm going to do is take that end piece, and I'm just going to
Oh my god.
turn
It's
it.
like magic, isn't it, guys? Beautiful.
And that's it.
Ah,
So all you're going to do is put that piece, slide it on.
okay. A genius.
You're a genius.
Oh.
It's a family trait. Yep, so let them slide down. You can hold on to the other nubby piece on the bottom. Okay. So 3 hours later.
Not even. Wow, you got it on first try.
So let's squeeze this back. There's your necklace.
I'm gonna become a gangster soon.
Isn't that cute? And if you want, if you make it smaller, then you can do
I think it's stuck.
Like the clasps, like on the bracelets.
Oh no, it's beautiful. It goes down to my belly button.
Actually looks cute with your shirt.
See? Okay, we're gonna show you a full body of me at the end of the video. Well, probably in one of our videos. Probably gonna show you everything with all the jewelry that we make. Bye!